Well, here we are again. Ooh, I'm gonna try to keep my cool. I'm going to try, but also, maybe not, I guess. By the time you're seeing this, you probably already know, and it's probably already out, but I have a second collection with Mob Beauty. I have a second freaking collection with Mob Beauty. Now, I've been working with some samples just personally, and I have the like official one now. So I'm gonna unbox it. I'm gonna open it with you, and you know, ooh, I would promise that I'm gonna stay calm, but I can already feel that I can't. My heart is literally racing. So let's open Grungecore. And also, probably by now you have seen the name of the collection. If you haven't already, this is Grungecore. Woo, okay. Just gonna open it. I'm just gonna open it. Also, hello, hi, if you're watching this on my channel, thank you so much for being here. If you're new here, I'm CourtneyQuarantine. I'm a full-time content creator, variety streamer, makeup artist, and I have also made makeup. This is now my second collection, as I have said, and this is very personal, and I am so incredibly excited and happy, but I cannot wait to share this with you. If you're returning, hey bestie, hey, woo! Oh. Okay, if you're interested in any of my other work or my other collection, you can go onto my page on Mob's website. I have a page. I have a tab, dude. A whole page for me, for the stuff that I've made. Oh my god, Mob, I love you so much. Okay, okay. I can't believe I thought I wasn't gonna get emotional. This is really cool. This is really cool. Woo! Woo! Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's literally so beautiful. It's so perfect. Okay. Woo! Pull it together. Oh my god, it's so stunning. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. Oh, I I don't have words. Oh my god, the numbers are on the back. The numbers are on the back. Okay, okay. So the red cream clay is M169. The really shiny, like foily red, beautiful perfectness angel baby is M167. My perfect matte eyeshadow that's like this transitional cool toned kind of brown, but it's kind of dirty. I'll be talking about all of these obviously separately. Maybe not obviously, but hey, I'll be talking about all these separately. This is powder eyeshadow. I love their powder eyeshadow. This is a dream come true. I'm so happy to have like my shade. Okay, anyway, this is M170, and this is like the bronze. You know what I'm saying? This one is M168. Woo, dude. Woo, I'm so excited. Oh my god, they've sent me little backups too. I'm so excited to see this. Oh god, and oh god, okay, okay. Can you believe it? I mean, probably you can, but like, oh my god. Oh my god. You knew there was gonna be a lip, right? You knew there was gonna be a lip. This is M171. Ooh! I have samples of this. My god, I have boogers in my nose. Hold on. I can't have boogers in my nose for this. I can't. I won't. This is my soft matte lip with the collection. This is my hot lip, dude. She's beautiful. This is like a cool tone mocha mauve ode to the 90s grunge, but like my version. You have seen me wear this a number of times, whether you've realized it or not. Oh my god, M171. Mwah, baby. So here it is, Grungecore. God, like, I thought that I would, like, maybe be used to this. Used to it. I've done it one time. Literally relax. What do you mean? Used to it? Where? But I just kind of wanted to come on here. My God, my hands are shaking so bad I can barely pick those things up. I think I would usually take this time to be like, oh, sorry, I'm crying. Oh, sorry, it's a bit much. But I am a bit much, I think, maybe. And that's okay. I think as an artist, there's always the fear that there's going to be like a last project, that there will be only one more shot or only one more thing. And I just want to take a minute to acknowledge that, like, this is incredibly important. This is incredibly, like, special to me. All of these shades are, I mean, we can talk, and I will be talking about the shades and what they mean to me. And I can't be chill about any of this stuff. I mean, you've heard me talk about internet grunge and how, like, each shade in that collection ties back to something personally in my life and, like, historically with makeup. The same thing goes for all of these. Now, I think you could look at that palette and be like, those are some sick shades. Love those. Gorgeous. Would use those all the time. Yes. Also, me being the way that I am, I want to let you know why, like, at the core of my being, why these mean what they mean to me. And I'm so excited to be able to share that to you. This feels more vulnerable than, like, anything, because it feels like I'm, like, bearing my soul in makeup form. And yeah, I know that's not gonna sit with everybody, and I don't want it to, because I think, quite frankly, you either get it or you don't. What I will say, though, is I am incredibly thankful for the opportunities that I've had with Mob Beauty specifically here, and to be able to create and work with them to make these things come to life and to bring this into, I have a palette. Like, this is like this is a palette. That's so cool. I'm so grateful for my hard work and for my, like, resilience, and I want to take a quick second to acknowledge that, but I also really want to thank you. Whether you're new here, whether you've been here for 5 years, whether you've known me on other accounts, whether you've known me in real life or not, thank you so much. Like, truly thank you from the bottom of my heart. I would not be able to do this, and I would not be able to have these opportunities if it was not something that was wanted. And you all really let me know that you want to see the makeup that I make. And I can't thank you enough for that. I know I'm just a big sappy mess, but I think if I showed up and I tried to be all, like, stone cold and cool about this, you'd be like, blink twice if you need something. This is incredibly important to me, and I feel like has given me a lot of purpose, and for that I thank you. I really hope you like my makeup, and I'm so excited to share it with you, so forgive me for only crying about this always. But this has given me a drive to never give up on my dreams with makeup, and to keep making things, and to keep using the stuff that I have, and just being inspired by artists and just the history, the space and time that ties us all together with makeup. And I think it's just really magic. I really do think it's magic, and this is partially celebrating that, and I look forward to sharing more of that with you. But for now, I just wanted to unbox this and just take a minute to look at everything, and I'm just like, I feel like I'm even more emotional than I was before, and, like, how does that, how, whoa! Mob, I cannot thank you enough. Alicia, Belle, Vic, everybody who has poured and used and touched my products and just had them and championed them. Thank you so much. I just thank you so much. For those of you that loved internet grunge, I hope you love grungecore, and for those of you who are maybe new here and have no idea what I'm talking about, I hope you love it too. I am so excited about this. I am, woo! It feels like galaxies in my rib cage right now. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me for makeup and beauty content, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Grungecore, baby!